Assalamu alaikum, this is Noman Sheet from iMusafir.pk. Today we will discuss one of the most frequently asked questions by the foreign clients, that is on letter of invitation. If you are here, you would have been asked by the Embassy of Pakistan to provide them with this document. Today I will elaborate the process how to get this letter of invitation. There are two types of visas available on Pakistani Embassy website. Of course, if you know the website URL that is already given in this description as well, that is visa.nadra.gov.pk. There are two types of Pakistani visas. One is business visa and the other one is tourist visa. If you have applied for the business visa, then you would need a letter of invitation from a company that has been registered in Chamber of Commerce in any province of Pakistan. And for tourist visa, you would need a letter of invitation by a tourist company that is DTS licensed, Department of Tourism Services. That is DTS licensed company that will offer you a letter of invitation over their letterhead. That I am already showing you the sample of this letter of invitation in the thumbnail and in the description as well. Any company, DTS licensed company, would ask you for some details to issue your letter of invitation. First of all, let me make you clear that they will issue this letter of invitation on their letterhead. That would be enough, containing their DTS license number on the top, their letterhead, and the signatory. Of course, the owner of the firm can sign your letter of invitation. He would ask you for some details like your passport copy that will be used for their formal purposes, and your arrival airport, departure airport, tentative tour plan, which cities you are planning to visit, and for how many days you will be staying in Pakistan. These data will be just used purely as a formality. If you can extend your visa, of course later on you can extend, and if you need to change your dates, you can change. This letter will be used just for the sake of formality. This letter make embassy surety that someone in Pakistan is sponsoring their tour. In spite of being a DTS licensed company, we have some limitations by the Embassy of Pakistan, as we cannot offer some citizens of some countries letter of invitation like India, Israel and Afghanistan. We cannot offer them letter of invitation. This is restriction imposed by the government of Pakistan. And one thing more I would like to elaborate for some Pakistanis in Urdu. We got many calls from Pakistan as well that they want to invite some friends from America, from India, some other countries. I would like to elaborate some things them in Urdu. देखें, आपको अगर आप लेटर ऑफ इन्विटेशन आप खुद लिखना चाहते हैं, पहले तो ये सर्विसेज कोई DTS लाइसेंस्ड कंपनी आपको ऑफर कर देगी, जैसे कि हमारी है iMusafir.pk. लेकिन स्टिल अगर आप इसको करना ही चाहते हैं, खुद करना चाहते हैं, आपका कोई फैमिली फ्रेंड है, जो भी है, आप जिसको इनवाइट करना चाहते हैं पाकिस्तान, आपने सिंपल नोटरी पब्लिक पे चले जाना है. नोटरी पब्लिक पे जाके या फिर किसी भी मजिस्ट्रेट या अदालतों में जाके जो स्टाम्प पेपर वगैरह इशू करते हैं उनके पास चले जाएंगे आप. वहाँ पे आप अपनी क्रीडेंशियल्स लिख देंगे कि मेरा नाम ये है, मेरा CNIC नंबर ये है, मेरा एड्रेस ये है, और मैं इस बंदे को जिसका नाम ये है उसका होल्डिंग पासपोर्ट नंबर ये है, और उसकी सारी डिटेल्स लिखने के बाद आप नीचे लिखेंगे कि मैं आई वांट टू इनवाइट हिम टू पाकिस्तान. वो पाकिस्तान आएगा तो उसकी जितनी भी टूर की रिस्पांसिबिलिटी है वो मेरी, और आई विल मेक श्योर कि वो किसी भी तरह की पाकिस्तान के कानून के ख़िलाफ़ किसी भी तरह की एक्टिविटी में इन्वॉल्व ना हो, मैं उसकी रिस्पांसिबिलिटी देता हूँ. दैट्स ये करके आपने उस मजिस्ट्रेट से वो जो आपका स्टैम्प पेपर होगा वो अटेस्ट करवा के उसकी पिक्चर लेकर आप सेंड कर देंगे. दैट इज़ इनफ. इफ़ यू वांट टू हैव योर लेटर ऑफ इन्विटेशन, we can issue you letter of invitation in just 2 working hours. Of course, we will pay you for that. The details are given in the link in the description, and you can contact us at info@imusafir.pk. Thank you very much.